Hi STEM Fair students. So today in this video brought to you by the Student Leadership Board, I'm going to be teaching you on how to use Excel to do some basic graphing data analysis here. And so this was one of the activities that we did in our data analysis workshop this year. And so here I wanted just to record it and bring it to you so that students that were unable to attend that can now watch that. So here I have some data, right? I have temperature, and I have prices of 3 types of items: ice cream, hot cocoa, and cake. Something to note is that what's really important, and one of the most important things to do in science fair, is to remember to label everything, including tables and graphs. So here, the temperature is in degrees Celsius, and you can see that the prices are in dollars here, and that we've labeled each of these series. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you all how to make a graph. So here we're going to insert a graph. I want to make a line chart. So I'm going to go to this charts box and then line chart. But it's blank because I haven't put any data in it. So what I need to do is I need to select the data. So here I'm going to select the data range. What I like to do is select each entry individually. And so each legend entry or series is like the prices, for example, ice cream, that's like one series, or hot cocoa, that's like another series. And so I want 3 different series for all these different temperatures. So I'm going to add a series. The name is ice cream. So I just click this cell. And if you have the equal signs in front of it here, you can just kind of immediately kind of highlight the column that you want. So there's one. And so now I've added one called ice cream. Now I want to add 3 more. So I want hot cocoa here. And then lastly, I want cake. Okay, great. So now we have 3 lines, right? And we have the prices on the side, great. But at the bottom, we only have points 1 through 12 because we have 12 data points. But actually, these points aren't 1 through 12. They're actually temperature in degrees Celsius. So the way to edit this is you go to horizontal category or axes labels, and you click edit. And then I want the label range to be this right here. Okay, so now we see that the numbers have been changed and they're nice and evenly spaced. Awesome. So here's a nice graph, right? We've got our 3 series, and we've got the prices, and we've got the temperatures. However, if you didn't see this, you wouldn't know that these are 3 different types. You don't even know like which is which, right? I can't even remember which color goes to which type of food. So that's why labeling is super important. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the graph, and you're going to take this plus sign, right? So you're going to add some chart elements, including axes titles, which can label your different axes. You should also have a chart title, and you should have a legend. And so those are the basic things that every graph should have. If you have more than one series on a legend, more than one series on a chart especially, you need a legend. So here, see the legend has the labels that we labeled our graphs. So ice cream, hot cocoa, and cake. So now I know the blue refers to ice cream, the orange refers to hot cocoa, and the gray refers to cake. The title of this can be something like, you want something generic, like maybe sweet shop sales, because this could be the sales of like a sweet shop. So now we have the axes titles. I want to put temperature on the bottom. So here's temperature. Awesome. And then on the side, I want to put maybe average sales. Average sales. Awesome. So now you see that we have a graph that you can tell exactly what each series is, and you can kind of identify some trends. And so this is the standard of every graph that you would have at science fair. So with that concludes our basic data analysis graphing tutorial. If you want to look at more graphing tutorials, please refer to other videos on our YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also our social media in order for more updates for the science fair. Okay. Thank you very much. And yeah.